Say hello. Hi. Hello, Ed. What's going on, guys? Welcome back, I guess. It's been over a month, and as you can tell by the title, I know it's kind of a clickbait kind of title, but it's not at the same time. Yeah, the two words I kind of want to say to you guys is that obviously I'm sorry. I feel as though I need to say that because I've kind of left, not social media as such, but left YouTube for like over a month, but for no kind of like explanation, and for that, I don't know, I just feel as though I need to kind of apologise for it. I kind of promise you guys that I will get one video uploaded every week, and that was my goal, but I've been struggling quite a lot recently with I don't like kind of saying this word because been struggling a lot with kind of depression. Again, I don't like to say that lightly. I don't like to kind of class what I was feeling as depression, because I don't know, like I don't know if I just basically the reason why I've kind of not been on YouTube for the last month is that I've been kind of struggling a lot again with depression and mental health and stuff like that, and so I kind of needed to disconnect myself kind of from that, because I didn't want that kind of putting through on camera and oh, you farted again. Yeah, I didn't want that kind of putting through on camera and kind of like people feeling sorry for me, because I don't want people's sympathy. I don't obviously want people to feel sorry for me or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to kind of deal with it myself and with Lauren and kind of deal it kind of again myself, which I've now done. The reason why as well, the second reason, is because I was moving jobs. I've now got 2 weeks off just before I start my next job, so that hopefully gives me a few weeks again to catch up with a few videos. I've actually got some videos that I need to edit for you guys that will be up on the channel after this one. Yeah, I mean, over these past kind of couple of weeks and months or so, don't get me wrong, I've really struggled with kind of mental health and stuff, and never kind of thought, I've always been a very positive person, very confident, very outgoing person, but like just with a lot of things going on, it really did get to me and bring me down and stuff. And as well, one of the things that I kind of want to do with regards to this is kind of turning it into a positive. I want to bring out another video kind of after this, kind of talking, sitting with a camera and saying that how I kind of got over my depression as such, what I kind of did to kind of remove myself from that kind of frame of mind, took myself out of situations where it put me in that frame of mind and stuff like that, because I feel as though my story could help other people. Some people can kind of relate to it, I guess. I mean, not everybody has a huge... You need to stop farting, dude. Not everybody has got a like really strong frame of mind. I thought I had, but it just, things can get to you. And like, you are human. It's as simple as that. But yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry for not uploading and stuff. It's been hard. It wasn't my idea to be crying in videos. Sorry, but yeah, it has been very hard. But yeah, I just want to say, apologise to you guys for not uploading. I will try my best over the next kind of couple of weeks to kind of get back into the game. I do really miss uploading videos kind of every week, and the feedback from you guys as well. But yeah, I need to get back on this YouTube grind. YouTube for me as well is a release. It's something that I love to do, and the reason why as well I did YouTube is kind of to take my mind off, like, I hate saying it, but my depression. But that's kind of the reason why I start. Right, collect myself. Come on, I can do this. But yeah, I wanna start back up YouTube because it was a release for me. It was something that I could kind of take my mind off my situation, and that's what I need to start doing again. But yeah, it doesn't look that way, but I am in a much better place now. I've got a lot of things coming up. Like, I've got a new start in life with my new job. So yeah. God, this was hard. I didn't think I was gonna cry. Honestly, I did not think I was gonna cry, but hopefully you guys can understand kind of where I'm coming from. If you have suffered from depression or anything else, it is hard. But yeah. Oh dear. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh god. I've been Josh. This beautiful person right here is Mia. And that was our POV. Peace out, guys.